Wanna try? Look, open it. Danny. Danny, get it.
If it's big enough to know what's going on.
Look.
Van Halen. Van Halen. What do you call him?
Hey, look. Look. Rip it. Rip it open. You do it. Here, rip it. Nothing like a close-up.
Is he getting it?
You're so queer. I was gonna buy this one at Walmart. You're like, no, that's a gay gift. Because you already bought it.
He's doing it.
Don't want to do it.
He's doing it.
Sorry, grab that. That's from Caroline. I don't know what it is.
What, the box?
Yeah, no, the ball. That thing.
This?
It's popcorn.
No. Probably popcorn. She got us like 6 cents a fucking pound.
I'll eat it.
What are you doing?
Oh, Aston, so friggin' you probably won't even eat that for like 3 years.
What? What is it? Football?
Caramel butter. White cheddar, caramel, and butter. Oh no, it's a 3-way. We'll definitely have that
What's that? Whoa! Alright, thank you. Woo. Alright, yeah. What? What's this one now? Look, what's this one?
I got, what did we make out last night? We got 100.
Look at this one. Do it. Tori, will you do this so I can get this on video, please? He's shoving it in his mouth and everything.
Get it.
What the hell is that?
What is that?
What is that, Vanny? What the hell is this? You don't know what it is.
Hey man, I want that for my house.
What is it? It is your house.
This is dark.
Vanny.
Yeah.
Look.
I can't do it. It's dark. That's